But I want the whole Jamaica to know say Leroy Taylor, 59-year-old Leroy Taylor, shoot my son DNJ Greensword, otherwise known as Tazo, in a chest, cold-blooded murder. You understand? Coming like a mad me a mad. A mad me a mad. Me don't know what to do. A mad me a mad out. Look for me. A mad me a mad. Me need everybody to hear and then listen to this Jamaica nationwide now. The author name that come up in a Jamaica. The author name that come up nationwide. Put it out on Twitter. Oh, my son. My son will not even walk with a pencil. Attack the security man Leroy Taylor, which is 39-year-old.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe if you don't know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style, one bag, you know when I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, a mother is defending her dead son's reputation after he was murdered by a security guard. And she's not too pleased with, you know, nationwide news for putting out that her son allegedly pulled out a knife on Umbre. You know what I mean? The mother is saying that her son is a harmless individual and wouldn't even hurt a fly. You know what I mean? As you can hear, she was quite emotional in the beginning. So let's hear what she has to say about, you know, the whole ordeal. But you know the streets is talking, and then we'll proceed.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Sharika Angus. I'm the mother of DNJ Greensword, the young man that the security guard Leroy Taylor killed on October the 30th at downtown King Street, Jamaica. I need everybody to hear. Everybody, not in Jamaica, the whole wide world. I want to know. You see that man that named Leroy Taylor, I have him as a father. He grew me from I was 1 year old. You see that little boy he killed? Is his grandson, 19-year-old. Come on, Jamaica. Listen to the story. I can give him the story. That man, because that man, you know, that heartless man, and my son, come like me I break down Jamaica. I don't know. You see a man there, I'm going in a pathway. You see a man there? Your man there live there with my mother for me at 1 year old. I know me at 39-year-old. So you know me I talk about. Everybody in the yard call him grandfather. My sister picking them call him grandfather. My brother picking them call him grandfather. Yeah, tell me say, the man watch my son grow up. Help, because when me not have the money, him feed him. Sometimes I not have the money for send him to school and give him money for go to school, Jamaica. And then I turn and take him life just like that. You understand? Him and the man, I don't know, but from my mother travel lately, the man start take a pic for him, for my son. I don't know if I saw me chick off him head or what. Him tell him to come out because a 2-room. I feel him place and them son. Alright, him son talk to him and say to leave Tazo alone, because him alias is Tazo. Take him out, put him in my sister's room downstairs, because no matter what his father tell him to come round, and him no want, him just want itch up anyway him granny there, because him granny grow him. Me push him out, but I'm granny grow him. Alright. You are going to walk and tell everybody say, my mother, that a fame common law wife, I pay him Tazo more attention than him. Come on, Jamaica. Come on. You understand? At the workplace where the incident happened, and the man get the work for my son, and him get the work for my son. Unlike the people, them just anywhere him go, people attached to him because him very manageable. When I say manageable, him not get trouble. My son care. My son me never get a call from school, none of him school them him attend for come. I not even know if my son, to me, him can't fight. You understand? If you tell him bad things, him just laugh off of you. And fan you off. And then by the time him go and come back, him say you calm down. And just that. The man, him dead shoot Juice Land. Him dead shoot Juice Land, Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, and him have. Me tell my son, say, alright, stay far from your man. Because I don't know where this evilous, theatrice come in him heart for you. I say, if you step on the left, take it right. If you nip on the right, take the left. You understand? See, I'm there now. Let me just fast forward the story. On the 30th when the man take my son life. You understand? In the early morning, you see them have an alternation or wait one to me. The two of them and the boss, like when the earthquake shake, everybody a laugh. Cause me say the man run out. Me say the man run out of the store and ball out Jesus, Jesus, and everybody a laugh. You understand? But no, in a big part about it, but my child, which that be him grandson, cause him are the weak one. Me and say him push him, and my son push him back. The boss get involved and get between the two of them and say, it down and enough to stop. Come like the man sit down and I pray my son called Jamaica. My son take everything for joke. My son take everything for joke because you see, me I tell you the truth. You see when me talk to my son after 2, you say if my son did ever tell me say that Jamaica made a reach down at the store. You understand? My son will take nothing off of me. If I'm going to look for me, I'm going to see me. If I'm going to look, I'm going to know me I talk about. My son will take nothing off of me. I tell me, say, wait, I'm going to eat him because I just talked to my son on the phone and asked him, say, if I'm going to leave. And him said, yes, mommy. May I finish the one. And the mommy call me, him say, yes, Cher. Because my name is Sharika, I'm calling me Cher. Yes, Cher, I'm going to finish. Do what me I do. And I say, I cannot tell me, say, him phone have a problem. And I turn to him and say, when you reach home, give Alanda your phone. That I'm cousin, that my sister son. Make him look on it for you. So he come like a little after me, hang up. All of them something happen. I tell you, say, this is the man. Because I know every camera in the store. Yeah, the man sit down and watch my son finish sweep out. And go to the bathroom and follow behind my pitney. Follow behind my pitney. And the never come here, never work down there. Me hear him say, him ear to say, I don't want a man rub up on me because I hear so the bathroom is a very small bathroom, you know. You have to turn sideways. I never been to the bathroom, but I've been to the store. You understand? And you shoot my child in I'm heart, just show you push him and him push you back. And the people that talk to you and you know say my son take everything for joke. You say if he never take that for joke, my feel him still alive Jamaica. Because nothing him not take nothing serious. You understand? So I need Jamaica. I need Jamaica to hear the story. I need this to put out. And you just shoot my son cold-blooded murder. Jamaica people are not wrong. In charge for murder.
Sad situation, one in the head and the heart. People put in the comment section what you think about that because boy, oh boy, take a look at this. Yes, and you know, because of YouTube, we can't show the video, but those of you know who saw it, the mother is now saying that she was dizzy while she flinged her child on the floor. You see, after getting in an altercation. To it seems it's her family and or friends or, you know, the thing going at the scheme. You know what I mean? She said them always a bully and all of this stuff. And she was trying to protect, you know, her child, you know what I mean? But after she got lumped up on all of this stuff, like I said, she got dizzy. And that's why you're seeing the child hung up on the floor. As you know, CPS took away the youth. But the mother is asking if the state can give, you know, the child, you know, to, you know, her mother or grandmother. You see me, I say, I'm not going to lie to you. You know what I mean? It was quite disturbing to watch that nobody intervened to save the youth. You know what I mean? Coming like the whole scheme was out there just watching, you know, cheering on the two ladies for likes. You see what I say? You know, they get at that, you know what I mean? Them kind of excitement, yeah, make people feel good. But, you know, at least them could have do I just secure the youth out of harm's way. You see what I said? That's my only riff with this. You see what I said? Put in the comment section if you're buying the dizzy story. You see what I say? You know, I'd never been knocked out before, but, you know what I mean? Maybe you have, you know what I'm saying? And maybe she really did lose her senses, but I don't know, you feel me? I'm just a messenger letting you know what go on from what I go on. The state has, you know, baby in a safe way, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's proceed. Now, one of my followers, you know, I guess, you know, a border crosser, big up yourself, is asking for some help. You see, my people from, you know, you that might have passed through the border yourself or, you know, has someone that been through this crisis. You see me, I say, she said, good morning, post for me, please, and thanks. I'm messaging from my fake page. So I crossed the border yesterday and a border patrol come and take woman and our children and leave we out here in the cold. We sleep in the cold last night. Right now we're cold and hungry. Just want to ask anyone if them know how long them are going to have we out for. You see me, I say, please, no negativity. You know what I mean? People put in the comment section if you can help with that. Anyway, I'm not going to long with this not longer, but make sure you go up on the Dancehall Story channel for check out Busha Mark responding to Queenie, exposing him as, a child, booger and all of these things, Yeah, you be a man with the pitney them, you see me, I say, and a rundown mansion where she and her husband once did, vacay for free, you know what I mean? Go up on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel if you want to see Queenie's response to. But anyway, I'm not going to long with this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.